Rajen Jani tutorial, start. Discuss environmental issues and their impact.
The environment is crying out for help, and we need to listen before it is too late. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It is knocking on our door, bringing rising temperatures, extreme weather, and dwindling resources. Air pollution is choking our cities, and plastic waste is turning our oceans into landfills. Deforestation is stripping the earth of its lungs, and species are disappearing faster than we can document them. Still, it is not all doom and gloom. People are waking up to the urgency of the crisis. Sustainable solutions like renewable energy and zero-waste lifestyles are gaining traction. Governments and corporations are slowly stepping up, though more action is needed. At the individual level, small changes add up. Cutting down on single-use plastics, supporting eco-friendly products, and reducing energy consumption can make a real difference. After all, there's no planet B.
Rajen Jani tutorial, end.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial, Rajen Jani. Text, Microsoft Copilot. Images, Copilot Image Creator. Audio, Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of speech, Google Cloud Natural Language API Python Code, Google Gemini AI, Video Editor, Kdenlive.